Hello and welcome to a new Lakeside Parkway video. Right, in this video, a bit different. So basically it's going to be a mini look at and then we're going to do some improvements to the model and show you how I do this. Let's have a look at the model first. So there we go. So it's a Hornby Railroad class 59. So what many of you might not know is, you know how many classic 6s I own, but I do not own a class 59. I do have one of the Dapper ones on pre-order, but I don't physically own any. So I genuinely been waiting for this one to come out. Didn't even see it come out, and then was looking through Rail's clearance list the other day and spotted it on there. So yeah, so we're going to get it out, have a look at it, then we're going to do a couple of jobs to it. So first of all, we'll fit a chip to it, and then secondly, we've got a light set for it, so we're going to fit lights in it. It doesn't have cab lights, but I think for what the Hatton's one didn't have cab lights, did it? So yeah, so let's take it out and have a look. It'll be a couple of parts this video, so I won't get it all done in this video because otherwise I'll be going on too long. So get this opened. First time I've opened this, so bear with me. Quite nicely wrapped. I don't know why it's the polystyrene, because the last couple of, I'm sure the 6 that I got at Hornby recently was something different. Was like the French, I don't know, on that one. So yeah, so that's the model there. It does have some little accessories, but which I can't actually get out at the minute. But yeah, all they are is just your normal stuff. So yeah, so as you can tell, it's Hornby's basic model, so it doesn't have the orange line and stuff like that. But I think for what we need, it's perfect. So, like I say, there is a few differences from the class 66. So I think the bodies, apart from the fronts of them, are the same. Don't think it's meant to have that thing there. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not. Is it meant to have bows? I wonder if that's what the accessories are, the little bows for it. I'll get them out and have a look in a second. So yeah, let's take a look at it and see. So as we can see, it is Hornby's cheaper range, but I think the main differences are under here from a 66 to a 59. I'm sure I read somewhere that the 66s, some of these can move independently, and on the 59 they can't. So you have to tell me if that's right or wrong. One question I did have, if anyone knows, is can I fit a classic 6 sound unit to this, or are they different? So the TTS sound, can it be fitted to this? Because I genuinely don't know. But yeah, if you know, let us know down below. So let me open it up, get the body off it, and we will have a look at the inside of it. So it's same as the 66s. Leave the 2 sides off, and away you go. So to be fair, I think the body shell is pretty much the same as Hornby. So inside, very, very, very similar. So to fit the chip, all you do is you try and make sure my hands don't get in the way for the, lift that up. So that's the blinking chip out. and fit that in like that. And then what I'd do, yeah, I suppose the speaker could fit there. I was just looking if it could house a speaker, this unit. So what I normally do is, if I don't have a speaker, just put that down there. I will get, when I've wired all the lights and stuff, I will get some tacky, black tacky stuff and put this all in properly, but just to test, see if it works for this video. But that will all be in part 2. Let's get it on the tracks and we'll have a look. So give us a second. Right, got it on the track now. Basically, got the little bag of screws out, little bag of bits out, no barrels. So I don't know what their holes are for. Maybe it's they use the same body shell as Class 66, maybe. But if anyone knows, put it in the comments for us and I'll have a look. Like I say, so yeah, so it's Hornby model, so it'll either be driven by these 2 wheels or these 2 wheels. I think pickups on the front and back. I don't think it's all wheel pickup, but yeah. So we'll get this all up, like I say, get it all running, and then I'll need to fit the lights. So for the lights, got these off eBay. I can't remember the eBay name, but I'll put it down in the comments below. So like I say, what you have to do is drill holes. Then so I'm guessing the bottom 2 are the reds, top 2 are the fingers, and then these are lights as well. So quite a lot of work, but it'll be worth it. So yeah, let's get it running and seeing if it'll run. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Yeah, so it's these 2 wheels over here. So as you can see from standard, there's no lights or anything on it. There's no lights. So hopefully we'll make this look a lot better. The other thing I'm going to try and do is fit a cab driver in it. So yeah, we'll have a look. So yeah, make sure you watch part 2. It'll be coming up in the next couple of weeks. Or hopefully a couple of days maybe, if I can get it done in time. Like I say, it's a soldering that will take me the time, but we all like soldering, don't we? Yeah, any comments, leave it below. We have got a new test board coming, like I say, which I'm quite excited about. Should be here any day now. I was hoping it would be today because I'm filming this day before Easter, even though they all just feel the same, don't they, at the minute. Yeah, so like I say, so it didn't come today, so maybe Tuesday. Like I say, but I'll let you know in the next video. I'm going to do a video on how I build that, how I wire the test layout off, and stuff like that as well. Like I say, anything to keep me entertained, I'm sure. Hopefully you're all keeping well anyway, and like I say, if you got any questions or you just want to chat, best place to get us is probably Instagram or Facebook. But if you want to leave comments below, we will try and reply to you all. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please sub, and like I said, leave a like below. Many thanks, and we'll see you next time.